yesterday I had an idea for a potential business that I wanted to start, and the reasons that I want to build this out is first because it's a challenge. It seems less like a fun challenge. I want to see where this goes, if it has potential or not. And two, I want more freedom over when I work, how long I work, and where I work. Sadly enough, if you're an employee, I'm currently an employee, you just can't decide. You don't have that freedom. By the way, I love my job. Like, I love being a software engineer at the company that I am. It's stable, like I get a lot of benefits. I won't quit my job over this. I would just do it on the side. And if I see that it works, I'll continue doing it. If I see that it doesn't work, I'll just stop. I never sold websites. I never worked as a freelancer. So I'm a total beginner in this.
I sip this crown, now I'm mixing no Sprite. Only sip brown when I cool with my hitters. So trick, go figure, it's that kind of night, alright? I love you. Things that cross my mind while I'm by myself. I hate you.
I use Copilot to find a name for my business. After multiple brainstorming and multiple iterations, I landed on Creator fast. I wanted to keep it broad and easy to remember. I was scrolling to YouTube and I came across a YouTuber that I follow, and on his bio, on his description, I saw that he was selling a course. So I went on the website for his course, and the website was not good. It was honestly not good, and that was surprising. I was like, what? He has like 1 million followers and he has a very, very basic website for his course. So the idea that I have right now is to build a new website for him and then offer it to him for free. I'm a beginner. I don't have any reviews. I don't have any testimonial. And the first thing that I want to build up is trust. So the idea is to build him a website for free and that he can offer me a testimonial and review. Today I worked, and after work I went to a coffee shop, but I had a lot of troubles. I really wasted a lot of time today. Setting up a professional email is a bit annoying. It's a bit annoying. I was looking at different providers. Eventually I saw that Google Workspace lets you create a company, but you have to pay like a subscription for it. I want to have like my name and then at my company name, then .com. Just think it's a nice professional looking email. It's not the most important thing. The most important thing is delivering the product or the service. But it's still something I want to have.
Cost of living, I think about death like God forbid it. American Express got no limit. Career consists of lots of women. How can I convince you I'm not the villain? Shit's dramatic like opera singing. Down on one knee I got a proposition. In the past I was not consistent. Out of these girls you're top division.
I went to a coffee shop in Ghent. Now I'm grabbing some quick food before heading back home. I had some good insights. While I was working, my initial idea was to build a landing page for this YouTuber, but I was going to do it on a platform called Kajabi. It's a very popular platform that a lot of people use. And so I was building this out. But then I realized that the YouTuber doesn't use Kajabi. I realized it might be smarter for me to build the website, the landing page, and the platform that the YouTuber uses. He's using a platform called Seller, but so I decided to switch. I had to pay like $30 just to use the platform, which is painful because my goal was to keep this as cheap as possible and pay it. And now I'm trying to figure out how that platform works and how I can build a landing page on that platform. I did have some doubts this week, just thinking like, damn, I have no idea how to build a landing page. Imagine if I get no clients. How am I gonna find clients for this? Does this even make sense? Like, all these doubts went through my mind and insecurities. I'm gonna stick to this project for at least 90 days. If after 90 days I see like, okay, this won't go anywhere, then I'm allowed to quit. But for that, no. So my goal for this week is to build a website. I want to build a website as fast as possible and learn how to build a website. So I'm gonna follow like tutorials on YouTube on how to build landing pages. I really don't have any experience in that, but I want to do it as fast as possible because I just don't want to lose momentum and the motivation that I have right now. It's day 8 of building my business from scratch in Belgium. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to learn Figma. Going to learn how to design a landing page in Figma. As I was building the site for my potential first client, I realized that I went straight into building the site, so on a platform. It took a lot of time to figure out, okay, what am I going to make the website look like? I think it's easier if I design the website first, and you have different apps where you can just design the layout of the website, and the most popular one is Figma. If I just would design the website, so I know exactly what it would look like, what colors I'm going to use, what text I'm going to use, where everything is going, and then just go into building it. So I went looking for tutorials on YouTube, and I found this one. It's a 40-minute tutorial. It's interesting to realize that I'm figuring everything out along the way. So I had an initial plan of how I wanted to make the website, and while doing it I realized, okay, that might not be the smartest and most efficient way to do it, so I switched, and I'm figuring everything out as I go. I just finished work. I'm literally at the parking of my job right now. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop in Ghent. The thing that I find the most difficult when starting a new project, starting a new hobby, actually is time. It's freeing up my time. There's always something to do. There's always something to do with friends, with family, hobbies. You know, there's always stuff. I like to do everything. I want to work out. I want to have a good social life. I want to see my friends. I want to see my family. I want to see my girlfriend and make enough time for that as well. And then also have enough time for myself to just relax and chill. So actually making time for everything is probably the most challenging thing. I don't really struggle with motivation or discipline. Mostly just learning to say no and freeing up time for myself.